Want to learn how to make my famous sugar-free salted caramel latte? Well, keep on watching because it's Coffee with Connie time. Let me introduce you to my baby, my Breville Espresso Machine. This has made my life so much easier when it comes to brewing that perfect cup of coffee or your espresso. Some of my favorite coffee beans are from San Juan, Puerto Rico, Café Con Che. It's a small coffee shop that I found on one of my trips to Puerto Rico, which I absolutely love. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of them in my machine.
Oh, that's real good.
I love to use lactose-free dairy milk and shake it up. Don't forget. Why? Because it's going to give you that extra rich froth that you're looking for. Even though my Breville does have a frother, I like to use the Ness Pro Frother. I love it because it gives me the perfect temperature. It gives it a really nice thick consistency. Don't forget to shake it really, really, really good. And I like to put about a quarter cup of milk. And then I love adding a quarter teaspoon of grounded cinnamon and a quarter teaspoon of monk sweetener. And today we're going to be using Torani Salted Caramel. This is sugar-free. These are one of my favorite brands. You can find it at TJ Maxx. That's where I got mine. And I'm just going to pour about a tablespoon. So while this is frothing, I'm going to go ahead now and start brewing my espresso. I always do 3 shots. First, I start with a double, and then I hit it with a single. A little inside joke, a lot of my friends say, in Vegas, where's the most famous coffee shop? And all my girlfriends always say Connie's house. Why? Because I'm such an amazing barista. Why not? I want you guys to try this out. Do it at home. All the products that I recommend are my personal favorites. None of them are sponsored. Now that my frother has been done, look at how beautiful this looks. Wow. Eat the perfect coffee. Buen provecho.